early this morning. Guess why? Guess why? Because we're headed down to the beach for the day. Yay! I'm excited. I don't know if I made it clear last night or not, but Adam and Michelle are staying at a local Airbnb, a really nice one. So it should be a fun part of their vacation and spring break. So they'll be over in a little bit after I get kitties all fed, and we'll take off in Ruby down to the beach for the day. Should be fun. There's Tuxie. Everybody's doing good. I've put out just a little extra food because we won't be home until late, and they should be good. Good morning, Panther. Hi. Hey, bud. How's my buddy? Good boy. Yep, it's another pretty day. Good morning, Gray. Hey there, sweet girl. Hi. Good morning. Aw. All right, Tux, hold down the fort. And we are ready for liftoff. Alright, we're all loaded up and having a good time in the car, and we've got Don headed in the right direction now. He was going to go the old school way instead of going the way Ruby said was the fastest. So Ruby was at like 118 miles when we left the house. Remember, we don't try to charge up for trips anymore. We just stop at superchargers because there's over 65 in the state now. It's probably over 70 because I've slept a minute and they keep on opening up. But we're stopping at Warsaw to charge. We're gonna use the restroom anyway. And yeah, I was gonna mention, you know, we're on I-40 East now, and there's been talk in the Facebook groups lately about people steal the sign that says how many miles it is to Barstow, California. But North Carolina is kind of proud to be one end of I-40, and both in Barstow and in North Carolina there's signs saying, you know, California, North Carolina, how far it is. But apparently it's a popular sign to steal. But I even remember back in '79 when we drove out to Barstow, it's saying, you know, North Carolina is 2,000 some odd miles. Pretty cool.
Chicken and barbecue. Yeah.
It's good. We didn't have other lunch plans.
Yeah.
Let's see, we've got one Tesla charging. This parking lot's plenty full. Nobody needs to ice it. For half a second, I was going to get in the Y. Confused. I'm never confused. Well, not usually confused when I'm out by myself, but when I'm with Dawn, it could be either car. So this was a drop-in slab install. That's 8-12. So 3 slabs. Yeah. So we're headed to the Oceanic for lunch. Plus, it's only 10:30. It's just a little early for barbecue. Although I don't know. Maybe Smithfield's tomorrow. We'll see. I put in just now the Oceanic, and then over to Fort Fisher, and then home. Right now it's saying stop at the Wilmington Supercharger on the way to Fort Fisher. I guess that's kind of sort of on the way. If it is, that would probably be okay. I'm looking. So here's where the Oceanic is, and then you basically have to come back into town a little bit. Looks like that supercharger is just a smidge out of the way from where we would really want to go, but then down here to Fort Fisher, right about in here, and then obviously back up. So we don't care about getting all the way home. All we care about is getting back to the Mad Boar. That's in Wallace. We care about Wallace. It says we have enough to go. Yeah, we have enough to get to the Oceanic and then over to Wilmington, but that's not exactly probably maybe what we want to do. So anyway, she is still charging at 95 kilowatts. So that's respectable for Ruby. Yeah, so there's the Wallace supercharger. I'm trying to think if Wallace is before or after Warsaw. I believe this is Wallace, therefore it's before. So we don't have to get quite as far back from the beach to hit Wallace. And there are 3 superchargers in Wilmington area now. One on the way in on I-40, which is new and I've never been to. And then this one over here in Leland, which has been around for a while, but I haven't been to it either. I've been to this one time before. Unfortunately, these guys are not really on the... How does she have us coming back out? She has us coming back out on not I-40. So if we leave Fort Fisher, when we stay on I-40, if we need to, we could pick up a charge at Murrayville without going out of our way to get over here. I'm planning your trip, Donnie. So now she has us getting to the Oceanic at 31%, but possibly still. But we'll just stop at Murrayville.
Sure.
Welcome to Wrightsville Beach. So pretty. There it is, straight ahead. Woo! Well, upstairs was not open today, but we still have a view of the ocean, and we're gonna walk out in the pier before we head out. I don't know, it looks really nice. And then this is the same as mine. The heck over there, but I want to say it's a dolphin. But I see what you mean about the up-down shoulder motion now.
Yeah, I mean, for a while, but then it wasn't. Also,
This is called revitalization. It's good for the soul, soothing for the soul. We walked out on the pier after we ate in the warmth of inside. It's a nice day, don't misunderstand, but it's windy. And there are some kids over here having fun in the sand. It's really nice to be able to walk out here after eating. There's a Mach-E GT. Yeah. Ruby's over here on the end, and a really large pickup truck parked next door. So you know I'm thrilled. We're here. Yay! Catching some shells. Oh, look at the birdies. Somebody up here is feeding them. I've done that before to get pictures. Oh, there's a pelican. Oh my God. Okay, not quite that time. You're braver than me. Okay. I gotta be brave. Let's brave it. It's already cold. Oh! The guys are way the heck down there by the lifeguard tower, which is in the left part of the frame, and we're just having fun walking and picking up shells. The wind is pretty strong, but it's not cold. With our jacket on, we're good. We're in Wilmington, and we are at the Murrayville supercharger. So this is the new one that I wanted to go to, and we're gonna get a quick charge here on the way out of town, and then also stop in Wallace. This one's at a Lowe's grocery store, like the one in Cary is. So Ruby says 10 minutes, and you know, 10 or 15, depending on how fast we can walk over to Dunkin' Donuts and back. Are you ready for me to get back in my car?
been ready for 10 minutes.
Here at Wallace, Ruby's plugged in. She's the only one plugged in. We pushed it up to 100. We're gonna eat something. Obviously, we're not blocking anyone. And here's the boar. I got the barbecue platter. Dawn has a green tomato BLT. Michelle has a Cuban.
Yep.
And you've got the barbecue platter too, right? Yeah. This has got pork and beef brisket. They're geocaching. I don't see anything from this side. So maybe this one. There it is. So Donnie, how much did Ruby get charged up?
250 miles is what we left with. I think that was about 90 98%, 95%.
Okay, so not quite 100, but close.
Not close.
Okay. Way cool.